Morning class adalah kegiatan anak sekolah dasar yang biasanya merujuk pada kegiatan belajar yang dilakukan pada pagi hari sebelum pelajaran inti dimulai. Tujuan dari morning class ini adalah meningkatkan konsentrasi dan semangat belajar. Yang kedua, menanamkan kebiasaan baik seperti disiplin, tanggung jawab, dan kesiapan belajar. Yang ketiga, mengulas materi sebelumnya. Dan yang terakhir adalah menanamkan nilai karakter pada siswa.
Good morning. Morning, Sebastian.
Barisan pagi untuk memasuki kelas berlangsung selama 10-15 menit setiap harinya dan bertujuan
morning,
untuk
Miss
mengatur
Blessing.
suasana hati dan kedisiplinan siswa.
Morning,
Ini
Aunt
adalah
Patty.
bagian dari kurikulum pembelajaran
So even
sosial
before
emosional.
they enter
Guru
my
menyapa
classroom,
setiap siswa
the
dengan
social emotional
senyuman
learning
dan
is
sapaan
beginning. So
positif
I
saat
go and I
mereka
pick them up
memasuki kelas.
outside. I
Siswa
say good
dapat
morning to
memilih
them
untuk
there.
memberikan
Greet them
ekspresi
with a
seperti
smile, even
pelukan,
if I'm having a bad
tos,
day. I
ataupun
always have to
lambaian
smile and
tangan
put
sebagai
everything to the
sapaan
side.
kepada guru.
And then we
Guru
walk
juga
together to the
memberikan
door.
pujian
And then
dan
that's when we
semangat kepada
do the
murid dan
greeting. And I
mengakui
love that
kehadiran
greeting
mereka.
because it's a choice. So yeah. Thank you for sharing. All right, who else wants to share how
Pertemuan
it's
pagi
going?
dimulai dengan
Blessing, how are you
pemeriksaan
feeling
perasaan
today?
siswa, di mana siswa menunjukkan bagaimana perasaan mereka kepada
You
guru.
get to see your
Ini
auntie
membantu guru
tomorrow
untuk
to see
merasakan
her far away
suasana
or close
hati
by.
kelas. Siswa juga
Far.
memiliki
Why do you
kesempatan
love to
untuk
see her so
berbagi
much?
mengapa mereka merasa seperti itu, yang mengarah pada diskusi tentang cara menangani
Oh, make
perasaannya.
sure you tell her that
Guru
when you see her.
menekankan
People love to hear
bahwa semua
compliments.
perasaan
Okay.
dapat
Okay.
dibenarkan,
One
tetapi
more.
penting
My
untuk
morning
belajar
knitting
bagaimana
is
menanganinya
an
dengan
activity
benar.
I do every morning for about. Today, put a one close to your
Guru
heart.
memulai
If you're a little
untuk
sad, a
memeriksa
two close to your
perasaan
heart.
siswa
If you're
hari
tired,
ini.
a three close to
Dengan
your heart. If you're
keterangan,
happy,
taruh
a four
angka
close to your
1
heart.
dekat
And if you're
hati
excited,
jika
a five
kalian
close to your
merasa
heart.
marah. Lalu angka 2 dekat hati jika kalian merasa sedih. Angka 3 taruh dekat hati jika kalian merasa lelah. Lalu angka 4 taruh di
So my
dekat
morning
hati jika
begins with
merasa
cooking and chips and
bahagia.
sharing.
Dan
That
angka
kind of gives me
5
a
taruh
feel
dekat
fast
hati
with
jika
apples.
kalian merasa excited.
Let's start with
Lalu
what are you
murid
angry
pun
today? Wanna share
melakukan
why you're
hal
angry?
yang diperintahkan oleh guru, dan guru pun menanyakan
Are you comfortable
perasaan
sharing
salah
why
satu
you feel
murid yang sedang merasa marah karena ulah dari kakaknya. Murid tersebut pun menceritakan hal yang membuatnya marah.
And the reason why we discuss the sharing is so then that can lead to a discussion
Guru
about how to
pun
handle those feelings
memberikan
and moving those
bagaimana
feelings
cara
out the way.
menangani
And the reason why
perasaan
we don't say
tersebut
anything
dengan
is just
tepat,
why, but
dan
we have to learn how to
memberitahu
handle those
bahwa
feelings
perasaan
properly. So
tersebut
when
akan
we set
hilang
those
dan
discussions for me,
perasaan akan
my
kembali
students need that
bahagia.
opportunity to let me know
Selain
if something's
itu,
going on and
tugas
ask me
dari
how to get
guru
those feelings
juga
correct. And
harus
then most
dapat
of the time,
menghilangkan
really learn
gangguan
after
perasaan yang
experiment
sedih
and
dari
prevent
para
from going on my
muridnya
day when
yang
I'm
dapat
distracted. So I
mengganggu
have to eliminate any
pembelajaran
distraction I
nanti.
can and reduce the stress in their brain so their brains are stressed. Thank you for sharing your feelings. Sometimes it can be hard to share feelings, huh? But we're very comfortable with each other, so I think we're good. Okay,
Lalu,
who's here
guru
today?
memperlihatkan boneka
Oliver's here
yang
today,
bernama
and
Oliver,
Oliver
yang
and I have
nantinya akan
a
menjadi
little
alat
argument
untuk
yesterday, and I'll tell
permainan
you about it
gilir
later, okay?
perasaan.
All right?
Sebelum
Okay. You
permainan
guys
itu
ready? Okay, so
dimulai,
we're gonna
guru
follow
memberikan
along
pesan yang
or
disampaikan
read
dalam
with
pertemuan
Mrs.
pagi.
Valderrama, your choice.
Pertemuan
I would
pagi
be a
ini
Theo.
bisa
Okay?
beragam
Ready?
terkait dengan
Good
pembelajaran,
morning, fabulous.
aturan kelas,
So we went with the
kosakata
greeting with
baru,
the
ataupun cara membangun
the
hubungan yang
sharing
baik.
aspect of it with the feelings,
Pertanyaan yang
and then we always
diajukan
do the
guru
message. So the
semakin
message,
menantang
I love the
seiring
message because it's
berjalannya
so
waktu,
open-ended.
melatih
I
murid
can
untuk
tie it to
berpikir
curriculum, I
lebih
can tie it to
konsisten dan
KES, I
lebih
can tie it
fokus.
to vocabulary, community building, behaviors. As the weeks go by, the questioning gets a little more difficult for them. I go higher level thinking than just a what question. So we do more a why. What might be putting themselves in other people's shoes. That's harder for first graders. So I wait as the weeks go by to ask those more difficult questions. You guys ready to hear about the little problem Oliver and I had? Okay, so and believe it or not,
Lalu,
I'm really
guru
good with
menceritakan kisah tentang dirinya dan Oliver yang berebut apel terakhir.
So
Guru
Oliver and
meminta
I were
murid
doing some work after
membayangkan
school yesterday,
bagaimana
and
perasaan
I
mereka
looked in my
jika
bag,
teman
and there was
mengambil
only
makanan
one
ringan
apple left.
terakhir miliknya.
And guess who
Guru
was hungry?
meminta murid
Mrs.
mengungkapkannya
Valderrama
perasaan
and
mereka
Oliver.
dengan kalimat
We
yang
both
lengkap
wanted to eat the
kepada
apple.
boneka Oliver.
Is that a problem? Yeah, because there's how many people? Two people, and how many pieces of fruit? One. I'm not going to tell you right now how we solved it, but I want you guys to think. So think about this. How would you feel if one of your friends took your last snack? So take a second. Think, 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 think. Your friend took your very last favorite snack. How would that make you feel? And when you're ready to share how you feel about that, go ahead and raise your hand, and I'll give you Oliver, and you can share. So boys and girls, remember when we're sharing our feelings, we try to use complete sentences. So a good sentence would be, I would feel blank. And if you want to tell me why you would feel that way, that would be great as well. Okay? All right, who do we want to start with? The question is going to be the part where they're discussing or sharing, and sometimes it's feelings, and sometimes it's me trying to front load information or trying to activate prior knowledge as well.
I will feel mad because then I wouldn't have nothing to eat.
Yep. So someone took her snack,
Lalu,
he was so mad,
Oliver,
'cause you would see
boneka
these little
tersebut
hungry dude.
membantu murid
"Yeah, I'm
berbicara
hungry."
dan menjadi
"All right,
alat
thank you,
kilir
Oliver.
untuk
Who else
mengungkapkan
wants to share?"
perasaan mereka.
So this is
Oliver juga
Oliver,
menjadi
and
alat
Oliver,
pengingat
he just
murid tentang
he
sesuatu
started
yang
out as just kind of like a
menenangkan di
talking
rumah
stick
milik
tool.
mereka,
So
yaitu
I introduced
boneka,
him to the class,
membantu
and he
mereka
got
saat
him to show
merasa
other
stres.
set of eyes
Permainan
in the
pun
class. So
berlanjut
basically,
dan
Oliver
semakin
is my little
menyenangkan.
helper. He lets the students know when it's their turn to talk. Having a stuffed animal, I think it does remind them of something soft at home. I always think back to Mr. Rogers. He reminds people to think back of their favorite toy, their favorite object when they're feeling stressed. So this little guy helps with that as well.
If I feel my friend took my snack, I'll be happy
You would be happy. Why?
because I can buy more.
I like that, a positive attitude. So she said, okay, they took my snack. Yeah, but I'm gonna be happy
Pertemuan
when they go
pagi
buy
ini
more. Maybe
mencakup
give
5
them a snack.
aspek penting dalam
Okay,
belajar
interesting. I like
bersosialisasi
that.
dan
The great thing
mengelola
about having morning
emosi,
meetings is
dan
it's all
guru
5
melihat
areas of social
perubahan
emotional learning,
positif di
and
kelasnya
I've seen
hari
a
demi hari.
huge improvement in my class. It's just been a great reward for me.